I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting Betaflight Configurator installed and ready. Connect your flight controller to the PC with a quality USB cable, and if your board needs external power, provide it now. Once connected, make sure the correct USB drivers, CP210X or STM32, are present so the OS recognizes the device. Open the Configurator app and watch for the port to appear. You're initiating the link between hardware and software, which lets Betaflight read your board's firmware. Once the port appears, select it and click Connect. You'll see the firmware version and board name displayed. This tells you Betaflight successfully talked to the flight controller. If the Connect button is grayed out, check Device Manager or System Serial Lists and close any other program using the port. Make sure baud rate settings are default. Betaflight handles this. After connection, let the configurator finish reading the entire setup so you can safely review and modify configuration values without risking data mismatches. Now that you're connected, immediately save a full backup and capture the CLI diff so you can restore if needed. If firmware needs updating, pick the correct target, flash, and allow the board to reboot before reconnecting. Verify ports, receiver input, and motor outputs carefully. If connection fails, enter DFU mode on the board or reinstall drivers and try another USB cable or port. These steps finalize your configuration and give you a safe rollback plan when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.